So grateful for all your support to me. We love Rosemary's Toys, we can do it. Remember, nothing is impossible. Blessings and love to you, my beautiful friends.
Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to my channel, Rosemary Toys. Yay! My friends, today I have this short video, but I hope you like. My friends, we can see it is Shadow the Hedgehog from Burger King. Yeah, please, if you're watching this video and you are not yet subscribed, please do, and thank you so much. Like, comment, and share. Okay, let's open this bag. Wow, my friends. Oh, look at that. Okay, we can see it is a hard toy and no articulation, but I think it's cute. Thanks so much for all your support to me. Please take care. I love you so much, my beautiful friends. See you next time. Bye bye. Amigos, vamos a ver este juguetito bonito de los personajes de Sony. Espero les guste. Los quiero mucho. Gracias por todo su apoyo. Podemos ver que es un juguete duro, con no articulaciones, no mueve sus brazos ni su cabeza, pero es muy bonito. Muchas gracias, muchas bendiciones y nos vemos la siguiente ocasión. Bye bye.